Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change configuration website password for Zbtlink router. And to do this you will need to open set configuration website, and you can check our first setup video to learn how to access it. Now click on the person icon in the top right corner of the screen. There's a change password option. Now you will need to enter old password. By default it's admin, like that. And here into new lines you'll be able to add a new password. Now when it's ready, you can click on confirm and the password should be updated. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.